Hello, I'm Rodney Hill, product manager here at Atlas Copco, and today we're going to configure the 5G radio on an IxB tool. So I have a few things here today. I have my tool, the battery. I have the 5G radio here on the tool that we're going to interface with. I have my micro USB cable. I have a SIM card for the network that I want to connect the tool to, and I have a Torx 8 tool that I'll use to take the cover off of the radio module. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is remove the cover on the radio module. Now that I've removed the cover, I will install the SIM card into the tool, push it till I feel it click into place, and now I will power up the tool. While it's powering back up, put my cover back on here. Okay, so now I've connected to the tool, I've plugged it into my laptop, and we're gonna jump right into the software. So here we are in the home screen of our ITBP. I'm gonna go right into the settings menu. If I scroll down here, because I have the 5G radio on this tool, I'll see a new menu here that says cellular port, and I can see that it's disconnected at the moment. So if I click edit, we're going to look at the settings. It is turned off, so not surprisingly, it's not connected. I'm gonna turn this on. So options appear here. I can put in an APN or a PIN. My APN is the access point name, and I know that mine needs to be broadband for this particular network, and I'm not using a PIN. So I will hit apply here and go back to the last page, and we can see in a few seconds here, we'll receive an IP address from our 5G cellular network. And there we are, 10.104.75.100 just popped into the tool. We're connected to our 5G cellular network, and that's all there is to setting this up. Hope you found this video interesting. If you have any more questions, please contact your Atlas Copco representative, and thanks for watching.